So hello guys, it's been a long time that this channel haven't uploaded any new videos, so today we're gonna show you how you can actually burn a bootloader for your ATmega328p chip. So it's a chip that's basically used on the most common Arduino like the Arduino Nano, Arduino Uno, I think also Arduino Mega too, but I'm not so sure. So there's an actual tutorial show on the official Arduino website. You might want to check the link down in the description. You want to check it out. Maybe it's the original source, maybe it's better than this, but I don't know. So here's the layout of our isolated chip, the 328p. So this is a video of me pre-recording showing off my chip, and the label is very stylish. So some label out there might be different, but I'm sure the function are the same. So you're gonna need a 22 picofarad ceramic capacitor and also a 16 megahertz crystal oscillator and 10 kilo ohms resistors, and also a breadboard, and also a chip, and also Arduino. No matter what, it's Mega, Uno, Nano, just don't care, as long as they have the same chip with the chip that you want to burn. So I'm having a Nano right now. The chip that I have on both sides are the same, 28 pin, they are both the same. So now I'm gonna put the crystal oscillator, and you might want to see this layout again. So basically it's on the pin number 9 and pin number 10. So now what we're gonna do, yes, I'm gonna count it 1 2 3 4 5 until the pin number 9 and pin number 10. So now I'm actually counting. My counting skill is very good at that time. It's really good, and there's an ant on my breadboard, so I'm gonna put it away. So after I connect my crystal oscillator, I want to put some capacitor here, and you might want to see this because it's very narrow in there, so you might want to follow this connection type. And I'm gonna put my capacitor inside, like, oh come on, get in, yes, yeah, there we go. So you want to connect it to the ground, one side on the pin number 9 and another one on the ground, and another capacitor, its right side is on the number 10, and another one to the ground, which is number 8. And oh my god, just get in. Okay, so now the capacitors are in place, and I just want to show you where the pin number 8 is, and pin number 8 is for the ground in this case. So yes, so the next thing I want to do is to put my 10 kilo ohm resistors. So just put it along with your pin number 1, and this is the first try that I'm trying to do this, so if I'm doing anything wrong, please don't mind. So okay, back to our topic. So I'm gonna connect the upper terminal, the positive and negative terminal, to connect it with the positive and negative terminal on the down part of the board. I mean, just the base, the idea, right? Just connect, make sure they are connected to each other so that they can give power to the whole board. Yes, so the next thing I want to do is to put some wires to connect the RX and TX. So you basically just want to connect your RX from your Arduino to the RX of the chip, and TX of the Arduino to the TX of the chip. So I want to show you this diagram. The RX is at pin number 2 and the TX is on pin number 3. So we're gonna use those 2 pins to connect. So actually I already connected my RX, and now I'm doing it with my TX, which is a yellow wire, and I put it on the pin number 3. So RX to RX, TX to TX, don't confuse. How can you confuse? And why there's an X in there? I don't know. So the next thing you want to do is to power up the chip. So you need 5 volts, and you can draw that from your Arduino itself. So I'm gonna grab some wires here. So I have this red wire, just plug it to the side of the board, and another one, just plug it into the plus 5 volt there. I don't know if you can see, but it's actually labeled there, 5 volt or plus 5 volt. Yes, so after doing that, the power run around the board. It doesn't connect to the board yet, so the next thing you need to do is to connect your ground from your board to the negative terminal of each side of your breadboard. so right there. So after you do that, the chip is not yet powered. Because why? Because I didn't connect anything into it. So now I'm just gonna grab some wires, and I'm running out of wires, so I'm gonna use some different color rather than, you know, red and black. It just is too the same. So it just like something the same shit, same thing. And we actually want to power it, so using the VCC from the pin number 7 and or pin number 20, and also the ground. So there's 2 ground, there's 2 VCC. You can use either of them. The chip doesn't care at all. So now I'm going to plug in my 5V and ground and draw it from the side of the breadboard. Now I'm going to plug in my Arduino to my computer, and just line up your Arduino IDE, go to File and Example and select Arduino ISP. And you also want to go to Tools, select your port, make sure you are on the right port, serial port. And the next thing you want to do is to select your programmer as Arduino as ISP, not Arduino ISP, don't confuse. And then you're just going to head to Tool again and click the Burn bootloader, and there's a message terminal down there. It says burning bootloader. This may take a few minutes, and after done it will say done burning bootloader. So that's all, folks. Thanks everyone for watching. So if you think this video is helpful, don't forget to click like on this video. And if you want to actually know how you can upload your code into this chip, isolated chip, you might want to check my next video in this channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.